Welcome to Dev Delight, development done right, and today we're gonna talk about strings in JavaScript. This is a part 1 out of 2-part video. Let's get into it. In JavaScript, strings are enclosed in a single or double quotes. Besides normal characters, JavaScript also has special characters which you can use using escaping backslash. So if you just Google for special characters in JavaScript, you'll see a bunch of them. So for example, there's a backspace, a tab, and for example, if we needed to print a single quote within our single quotes of a string, we would use a backslash. So if I just want to put a single quote here that I want to print out, this would throw an error. Invalid syntax. So what you have to do is you have to escape it with the backslash. I will refresh and see the single quote character. Some other characters, for example, some other characters like a tab. You can add here, here. Refresh. See, that's a tab, and there's a tab here as well, but there's no other characters, so you don't really notice it. See that there's a new line, so we can do backslash, and then we go refresh. See, it puts the world on the new line. You can play around with the special characters yourself and see what you can come up with. But let's move on. What if I just want to print out the second character, E, in our string? Well, in that case, I would want to use a bracket notation. And since all characters, arrays, and strings start with the numbering from 0, use 1 here to access the E. And if you refresh, print out the E. You can also put strings together. For example, using plus operator. Now we refresh, www dot, edit the space right here, and then appended this whole string, hello world, which got printed out like this. You can also append using plus equal. So for example, full plus equal test. What will happen here is we're going to take our whole full variable and also append and add test string 2. So if you print out full here, it appended our second variable as well. This looks kind of messy at this point, but you get the point. So please remember that in JavaScript, strings are immutable, means you can't directly modify them. And in the next video, part 2 of this, I'm going to talk about the main string methods. I'm actually going to show you 15 different string methods. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe so you don't miss out on the next episode.